Halloween is the perfect time of year where spooky folks like us, if we choose carefully, can find home decorating items for the whole rest of the year. Last year I made the mistake of doing all of my Halloween shopping in October. Well, I learned my lesson. This year I went to my local Michael's store the second week of August and found Halloween had arrived. As usual, Michael's did not disappoint with lots of very tasteful spooky items to choose from. There's plenty of macabre statuary and other dark decorative items. For better or worse, America's fascination with yoga has seeped into Halloween this year. But for me, this was the cushion to have. With a skull on the front and a purplish floral pattern on the back, it seems tailor-made for the lair. They're also offering this charming candelabra. Now I'd probably rather hunt down an antique one, but if that's not possible for you, this could surely do the trick. This skeletal hand mirror, if painted with black lacquer, would be a fine way to reveal all of our vlogging secrets. I think this lovely tree would be great to hang your jewelry from, though I'd probably remove the bat for year-round use. And speaking of year-round, these candle holders I found were elegant and not the least bit Halloween-y. I also picked up this metal candy dish I can definitely find other uses for. Now I collect apothecary jars for the kitchen I someday hope to have, and they certainly had nice ones. These I thought would be perfect for holding essential oils, but they're not, because in a disturbing trend all of the lids were glued on. And I clearly wasn't the only fool who thought the lids should come off, as evidenced by the number of broken ones I found laying around, no doubt forced off by like-minded customers. I did manage to find this functional one, as well as this one, though I might hit this shiny label with some dulling spray. And I found these quaint cans that are actually functional. Now this I can find a year-round use for. And here is my Michael's Halloween haul. It's a pity about the apothecary jar debacle because I would have bought them all. Despite that, Michael's continues to be one of my favorite sources for tasteful Halloween items that look great in a spooky lair all year long. Stay tuned as I show you what some of the other stores are offering this Halloween season. And if there's a store you'd like me to review, leave it in the comments below. Until then, here's to a happy and safe Halloween season.